Hello everyone, my name is Kalpit Agarwal and I have secured All India Rank 1 in GATE 2020 in Electronics and Communication branch. I am from Raipur, Chhattisgarh and I have done my college from Bhilai Institute of Technology. I have took ACE Academy online test series and it has helped me to attempt very difficult or complex problem in a very tensed situation. It also gave me new perspective to attempt the problem.
Okay, Mr. Kalpit Agrawal, how often you used to take ACE mock exams?
I have finished all the subject test and topic wise test before December, and I appeared in full length test in January once every day.
Okay. Mr. Agrawal, during your preparation time, how many hours you used to work daily?
I usually decide a goal, that is this is how much I have to finish by this week or by this day. Then I used to study as long as it takes to finish that topic or that particular subject or whatever my objective is.
Okay. Uh, did you focus on all the subjects or any subject that you have skipped?
I have not skipped any subject, but some of my subjects were weak. So usually when I was appearing in test series, so I would attempt questions on that and revise them. So there was nothing that was totally left, although there was some weak points that eventually got better with time and test series and new problems.
How ACE Academy played a role in your success?
ACE Academy, the test series that ACE Academy provided was really up to the mark of the GATE 2020. So the complex problem really helped me to think in the way that is required to. It also gave the short solutions that we need to do in the exam, so we can finish our question in the least time that we can have. So in that way I gained some new perspective and some new approaches, some new types of problem that all I got from ACE Academy test series.
Okay. How long did you prepare for this GATE exam?
I started very early, but effectively I took around 24 months, so that there was gap in between due to some reasons. So it was effectively it was for 24 months.
What was your plan during the main exam?
During the main exam, my main goal was to stay confident, even if I am not able to attempt like one or two questions. My main objective was to keep my emotions in check and not get demotivated. So my most of the time, even when I was not able to solve the problem, I was sure that it is just due to the pressure, and I have to be confident about my preparation. So that was my main strategy, and eventually that worked. And by the end of the mostly in the last hour, most of the questions that I was not able to solve in the first hour, I was able to do it in the last hour.
Okay. Which subjects have fetched you a lot in the exam?
Sorry.
Which subjects have fetched you more marks in the exam?
It was communication. I fetched more marks in communication. Other than that, almost all the subjects like control system, all the basic subjects, I secured good marks. There was only one or two subjects where I was not sure or in doubt, so I lost marks in there.
Any other secret of your success?
It was usually to stick to my positive emotions, not try to get demotivated and not give up. Keep on going irrespective of what was the results, irrespective of my marks in the score. So there is no actually shortcut, but if we can relate to the GATE exam, it should be just try to stick to your positive emotions, be confident irrespective of your marks or your test series performance or how much time is left.
Any other suggestion that you want to give to your juniors?
Mostly students that I have met and talked give up too soon, or they try to think that just because they are not securing marks in the test series, they will not do better. So I suggest them that it is not a problem. Stick to your preparation, keep going on irrespective of what marks you get. And if you will go through complete time, you will definitely perform better, you will definitely get marks that you haven't expected, and you will there is a very good chance that you will outperform everyone, because most of the student have already given up. So what you have to do is just to prepare till the last moment, not give up, and continue your preparation, solve problems, and do revise as many times as you can.
Okay, one last question. Did you prepare any short notes?
I prepared revision notes from textbooks and from test series, from anywhere I can get. So I have a good collection of all the important points, all the points that I was weak, all the formulas that I don't remember. So I have had all the list with me, and it was a very, I was very confident that if something is going to be wrong, or if I am going to make any mistakes, that is going to be from this topics. So the topics I was in confident, I did not focus much in the last time, because I knew I cannot mistake in that topic. So I had a revision note which got shorter with time, and it was mostly my weak points. Okay, so finally I want to say all the best to all the future aspirants. You will definitely achieve whatever you desire. If you don't give up, if you have a vision, you will definitely succeed in your endeavor, and you will achieve whatever you want. So all the best to all of you. Thank you.